Hello everyone, it's me Harsakhi and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make DIY cloud Dreamcatcher. These are really easy to make and they look really beautiful. So let's begin. Materials that you need for making DIY cloud Dreamcatcher are yarns of different colors. I have took all the rainbow shades. You can take any shades that you want. Some sketch pens and pencil, gum, scissors. You need 2 white A4 sheets or printer sheets. So now let's begin. Take your A4 sheets and draw a cloud. Now take these two together and cut this cloud. You can make any shape of this cloud. I have took this shape. Now take both of the sheets and cut them together so you don't have to work twice. So here are my 2 cut clouds. I have cut them. Now what you need to do is take one of your cloud. This is the front side of the cloud. Take the back side and take your yarns one by one. Like I am taking this purple yarn first. And decide how much length you want for your strings. So I think this much is enough, so I'm going to cut it from here. Cut all your strings in this size. So guys, here is one string in its place. You need to take all your strings, like the next is indigo color. You need to take all your strings and cut them in this shape or size. So like here is my cloud. I have already applied some glue here. So place it here and cut it. The next shade is blue. So now guys, here are some of the strings that I have bought here. This is one rainbow. Now we are going to do it until we have reached this side. Just apply some glue, spread it with your finger. Take your yarn. Once you have completed one order of the rainbow, next start over. Now we are going to take again purple. The next is blue, indigo, then light blue, the next is green, yellow, I'm not using orange, I'm using red here. And pink. So once you are done with sticking all these strings, you can take them all together and cut from here. Like this. So this is much easier. So do it until you have done all your strings. So guys, here all of these strings are in place now. They all are in rainbow order and it's done. So now you can see these will look really beautiful. Now remember we cut another piece also which is this one. So now we are going to paste it here to prevent this from getting ruined. So now let's paste it. Now I'm going to paste it. press it. So it's done almost. Now I'm combing like these strings. Now we are going to draw a cute face. So I'm going to take out my pencil. We need a really cute face. So here I'm going to draw the eyes. And the face. And here will be some blushy cheeks. That looks great. Guys, I think this face is even cuter than the previous one. So I'm going to color this now. Now the face is done. I have put the old rough sheet behind this cloud now. And now what you gotta do is, we are going to surround this. I have put this blue brush pen. So now let's make a boundary. Be really careful when you are near these strings, because you don't want these strings to be colored. So I'm being really careful. Okay, now it's looking cuter. So now all these strings are not equal. So now I'm going to take my scissors. First I'm going to take the scale and we're going to see how to make all of these equal. So here is the scale. I think this much is okay. So I'm going to cut all these strings to make them equal. So now all the strings are equal. So I am thinking that I should apply these small flowers on this cloud. These are looking pretty nice. So I'm going to apply all these flowers. So all the flowers are also applied. You can use these glitter stickers to put them here, but I'm going to skip this step. Now the last step left, which is optional. If you want to press these by using a press, you can press these also by applying some water and then press it. If you don't want to press it, then it's your wish, but be careful. Take adult supervision. So now I'm going to press these strings. So I have pressed all these strings. You can see these all are now straight. So if you are happy with your cloud now, you can leave it here also. But I'm putting a string behind this to allow it to hang. So I'm using this purple string again. You can use black or any color. So I'm just going to apply it like this so that I can hang it on the wall. I'm going to use sellotape. So our DIY cloud dream catcher is done. I have applied the string also, and here are all these strings in rainbow order. Our cloud is looking so beautiful. You can hang it anywhere you want, in your bedroom or even in the drawing room, anywhere you want. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you all next time. Bye.